Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting comparison on two concealed carry guns, and I haven't found a video about comparing these exact two, so let's get started. We are comparing the Shadow Systems CR920XP versus the Sig Sauer P365 Legion. So two top line guns to carry. I'm not gonna try to be biased on this video. I carry the Shadow Systems. My brother carries the Sig. Both great guns, but you viewers are gonna be like, what's the difference and how do they compare? So we're gonna be showing and shooting them as well too. So here you have two compact pistols for concealed carry. Now you may ask, what are the difference between both of these guns? Well, first we're gonna start with the Shadow Systems right here. So this is what I carry here. I've been carrying it for a couple days now and I am a fan of it a lot. By the way, this is unloaded. Very lightweight. It's gonna have a polymer lower with Shadow Systems upper as well. Cool thing about this right here is it's gonna have a compensator at the end. Shadow Systems is known for their compensators, and we're gonna be testing this out. You're gonna see a side-by-side comparison on the Sig versus Shadow Systems. Is gonna be carrying a 15-round magazine with it. It's gonna be a metal 15-rounder. Now, Shadow Systems did come out with the +3 extension, so you're gonna get a 18-round magazine. I did order those, so I'm gonna be reviewing that. So that's a cool perk as well too, if you wanna be carrying more. I am gonna be shooting competition with this one time to see how it is. Both guns are equipped with the Holosun EPS carry and the TLR 7X Streamlight flashlight. So both have the same accessories on it. This one is gonna be lighter than the Sig. We'll get to the Sig, why it's gonna be a little heavier. So if you're looking for a lightweight gun, I would go on this side right here. I do have bigger hands as well too. This does fit really comfortably. All three fingers, as you can see right there, has very good grip on the side. Moving on to the Sig, what you're gonna get with this one is a full metal frame. So it's gonna be more durable. It's gonna have a bigger grip. You can see the size of those. So the Shadow System is gonna be a little thinner. Sig has a mag well, so you can put the mags in really fast. Sig came out with a phenomenal concealed carry gun as well too. This is also gonna have a compensator on the end right there, as you can see right there. It's not gonna be the same as Shadow Systems. It's gonna be one barrel, as you see. We're gonna see how this shoots. People say this is gonna have less recoil as it's a heavier gun, so you shouldn't see that much recoil. So it's gonna be an interesting video. One perk I do like about the Sig is their trigger is phenomenal. As you can see right here, it is unloaded and then reset. So really good trigger, feels really good pulling that. Shadow Systems is gonna have a 4-pound trigger. Unload that. A little heavier, reset is a little shorter than the Sig, so you're gonna get a faster reset. So that's one perk about this. Sig is gonna have a 17-round magazine. So right out of the box, you're getting a larger magazine, and it's gonna be a double stack, while the Shadow Systems is single stack. The Shadow Systems is a lot thinner, so if you're looking for a thinner gun. I'm not gonna go too much into depth, I'm just gonna show you the basic stuff. You guys can look online. So let's get started and see how these shoot. We are gonna be shooting the Sig first. We're about 7 yards out. We got some targets right there, and we're gonna shoot a couple rounds, see how the recoil is, and see how we do. Left one is the Sig at 7 yards right there in the head. Right one is the Shadow Systems. It is shooting a little high, but I just aimed a little higher, and that's the grouping right there. So not too bad, and that one's not too bad either. All right, so we're gonna be trying to do a reload. I'm gonna have 2 in one mag, 2 in the other. I'm gonna reload and see what we get right there. We're gonna go with the Sig first. So this one's gonna help probably a little bit better because it has a mag well in there. So we'll see. Okay, there we go. Beep. Well, it might help if I put the right mag in. Right mag. Oh man, I'm gonna get roasted for that one. All right, there we go. Okay, here we go. Beep. All right, here we go. Beep. All right, let's see the damage. Got this camera. Hopefully it doesn't get shot. So left one, Sig. We got 2 in the middle right there, 2 on the bottom, and right here, 2 here, 1 there. So not too bad as well too. Both guns are very accurate, as you can see. I was just probably finding the red dot and I shot too fast. Same with here as well. But these groupings are very good. 2, 2. That one's 2 and 2 right there. I would say the Sig one on that one right there. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you viewers. If you have any questions or want to see any other videos, I'm gonna try making more videos because these are fun to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please consider subscribing. At 1,000 subscribers, which we're halfway there, over halfway, I'll be doing a big giveaway. Might involve a drone. So get us to 1,000 subscribers and let's do a giveaway, guys. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Be safe out there.